In this video, we're going to obtain information about the graph of a function from its equation from 1.2. Let's go ahead and answer the questions about the function f of x equals 3x squared minus x minus 2. Let's ask if the point 2, 8 is on the graph of f of x. So let's find what f of 2 is. F of 2 is 3 times 2 squared minus 2 is 3 times 4 minus 2 is 12 minus 4 is 8. So yes, because f of 2 is equal to 8, it's on the graph. Is f, if x equals -1, what is f of x? -1 is 3 times -1 squared minus -1 minus 2. 3 times 1 plus 1 minus 2. 3 plus 1 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. If f of x is equal to -2, what is x? So 3x squared minus x minus 2 is equal to a -2. So that makes 3x squared minus x equal to 0. X is times 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So x equals 0, or x equals 1/3. So 0, 1/3. If here, this was the point on the graph where x is -1, that's -1, 2. This is 0, 1/3. Using the information on the previous step, what points are on the graph? That's 0, -2, comma 1/3, comma -2. What is the domain of f? It's all real numbers, -infinity to infinity. X-intercepts. So factor this. X, and then this is going to be minus, plus, 1 and 2. So -3 plus 2 is a -1. And then when I set them equal to 0, x equals -2/3, or x equals 1. So x-intercepts are -2/3, comma 1. And the y-intercept when x is 0, y is -2. For this equation here, is the point -√7, 1 on the graph. 14 times -√7 squared from -√7 to the 4th plus 49 is 14 times 7 over 49 plus 49 is going to be 49 times 2, and then 7 times 7 times 2. So that's 49. And that's 2, so that should be 1. And is that 1? It most certainly is. So yes, because f of -√7 is 1. If x is 2, 14 times 4 over 16 plus 49 is 56 over 65. So 56 over 65, which means 2. 56 over 65 is on the graph. If y is equal to 1, then we have 14 over 50, which is 7 over 25. So 7 over 25 here. And that means oh, nope, that wasn't the x value, that was the y value. So if 14x squared over x to the fourth plus 49 equals 1, then let's do that down here. 14x squared over x to the fourth plus 49 equals 1. And this is going to be x to the fourth plus 49 equals 14x squared. X to the fourth minus 14x squared plus 49 is equal to 0. Makes this x squared minus 7 squared equals 0. X plus root 7 squared. X minus root 7 squared. So x equals plus or minus root 7, both of them with a multiplicity of 2. We'll talk about what that means later. So x is going to be equal to negative root 7 or positive root 7, meaning the graph has negative root 7, 1 and positive root 7, 1 on the graph. The domain here, because there's no numbers that make the denominator equal to 0 here, going to be all real numbers. And the only x-intercept is at 0, 0. And that's also the y-intercept. And that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and we will start talking about 1.3. See you for the next video.